Why my voice is important? My voice is important because if I didn't have a voice, I wouldn't be able to amuse people. Some people don't have a voice because they were born without one. My uncle does not have a voice, and it is hard to talk to him in sign language. Why my voice is important? My voice is important because if I didn't have one, I wouldn't be able to use my manners. My uncle sometimes can't talk to me, so he tries to wake me up by pushing me off the bed.
No, don't look over there.
Sometimes my uncle will like to talk to me, so he pushes me off the bed so he will be able to talk to me. Sometimes he will grab his phone and then write it, or sometimes he'll use it and write it on paper. And that's it.